Today's introduction is a 3000 torsion meter pneumatic torque wrench. Standard configuration, air source control box, trachea, chestnut wall. Pneumatic torque wrench. Function, introduction, manual spool valve. The knob adjusts the torque. Pull up to adjust. Press down to lock. Fuel port. Mechanical pressure gauge. Installation and use introduction. Align the trachea connector with the male connector. The installation is complete. John Bofa open. At this point, the pressure gauge shows the pressure. Turn the knob up. The pressure can be adjusted at this time. After adjusting, gently press the knob down to lock it. When the locking pin is pulled out, rotate the card into the groove. At this point, the motor can rotate 360 degrees. Flip the forward and reverse switches. Adjust the chestnut wall to the appropriate position. After being adjusted to the desired position, put the locking pin, gently pull out and rotate it. Current state, press and hold the switch. Locking is complete. Release the button